Python has standard library modules such as sys and os and datetime, and there are many others that allow you to read information that is very, very common, like environment variables and platform and datetime information. Let me show you how to do this. Python has many built-in modules that you can use. I'm going to show you a few of them and the effects of them. And I'm going to call this thing built-in modules. And I'm going to import sys, and I'm going to import os. I'm going to define main. And I'm going to say, for example, print. This is going to print me the version of Python. And major, minor version in this case. And I'm going to do format using the sys module. I'm going to get the version information, like so. And I'm also going to print the platform that I'm using, and then I'm going to execute main and go over here, run Python BIM. There you go. So it's printing me version 3.4.0, and I'm in the Win32 environment. My platform is Win32. If I was in a Linux environment, it would show me that. And if I was in some other environment, it would show me what that is as well. Let's get some other things associated with this. Let's say I want to print my OS name. How about that? Right? NT. Yeah. How about if I wanted to find out that the environment variable that is path, and I want to return env, not enc. I want to return what the environment variable is. And here you go. Here's the environment variable that it returns. Yeah. So these are the kinds of things. Yeah, I can also print os get current working directory, like so. Right, here's the current working directory. I'm in the code directory. These are the kinds of things that you want to explore when you are trying to determine, for example, I can get any environment variable I want, for example, instead of path. Maybe I can get user. And you can see how I can use. Right now, the user, it says, is none. If I do a set, these are a bunch of environment variables. I've got a user name environment var. So if I specify user name, if I say user name, I see the user that I'm logged in as. If I clear that screen, I can also specify the user domain. It is not case sensitive. Okay? This is the name of this machine. Okay? That's the name of this machine that I'm logged onto. I can store these as a variable, and then I can use my if statements, or I can use inside of my code, I can use the platform, for example, pick a path if it is indeed, for example, Win32. I can describe what I want to do after that. For example, if it's Win32, I may choose to execute one piece of code, and if it is not Win32, I may choose to execute another piece of code. Let's see something else over here. I'm going to import datetime. Right? I can say that right now is datetime right now. And then I can say print now. Save that, run that, and that is a time right now. I can also split this up. I can say that I want to print now year, and I want to print now month, split it up, and I want to print now day, and I want to print now hour, like so. Save that, run this, and there's the year, month, day, and hour, and so on. I can print minute. So I have many built-in modules that I can work with. Sys, OS, and datetime are just three of them.